Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and simple steps to create your very own private server on the Discord app for PC using the new update. Whether you want a space to chat with friends, share media, or organize communities, setting up your own server only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer and let it load. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a small plus icon. This is where you begin the process of making a new server. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. Next, you'll be presented with a few options to either join or create a server. Since we're making our own, select the option that says Create My Own. This is the starting point for building your private community from scratch. Once you hit Create My Own, Discord will ask who the server is mainly for. You'll see two choices, one for larger groups and one for smaller groups. Since we're focusing on creating a private server for personal use, choose the option that says For Me and My Friends. This will set up the server with a format that's better suited for smaller, private conversations. Now, it's time to personalize things a bit. Discord will prompt you to give your new server a name. You can choose something fun, creative, or just keep it simple with something easy to remember. Take a moment to type in your server's name. Once you've entered the name, all that's left to do is click on Create. And just like that, your private server is now up and running. You'll find it listed on the left sidebar, ready for you to invite friends, set up channels, and start chatting right away. Creating your own private Discord server has never been easier. With just a few clicks, you have a space that's completely yours to customize and share with the people you choose. Now you can take full control and enjoy the benefits of a private, dedicated space on Discord.